letting go with the flow of the river, settling in your spot of meditation, allowing your body first to settle and be comfortable, wiggle around for a moment, feeling your seat on the surface of whatever you might be sitting on. Maybe having your back straight for this, but in a relaxed way, not too rigid, not too sloppy. Bringing your mind into your body. Taking a breath in to bring it in, hold for a moment and then release. The background noise obviously is the river here, and the focus will be allowing all the emotions you might find trapped in your body or lurking in hidden corners of tension to be washed away down the river towards the ocean. So begin again noticing those places in your body like your shoulders, stomach, chest, jaw, wherever that might be that you're holding something tight. Breathing in and out, and letting go just by noticing, not judging, not thinking too much about these places of tension, allowing them to flow away with the sound of the water, the rush and movement, constant movement of the water as it goes under the bridge of your mind that stays still. And the water flowing away with those knots of yours. We all carry these knots from old times, new times. We hold them in our bodies, and sometimes it's good to sit, regroup, notice, and let go. And at the same time, like I said before, letting your mind stay still, like the bridge. Not moving, not analyzing, not doing. Hopefully this is making sense to you, and if it isn't, just do what you want with the sound and the moment you're giving yourself. Either keeping your eyes closed or looking at the video. Breathing in and out, staying mind stable. Sometimes the mind does wander. And you bring it right back to your body. And let those knots, yucky feelings flow away, releasing. Releasing, letting go. Mind still, body still. Big breath in and out. Relaxing into the moment that you've given yourself. These 5 precious minutes of release and focus.